Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor videos, shop with me videos, and lifestyle. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. So I have a very exciting video for you guys. We actually received our dream couch yesterday, and I filmed that whole experience. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna show you guys the couch. I'm gonna show you guys my living room, and I'm gonna show you guys what my plans are and what I plan on doing with the living room. It's gonna take a little bit of time because, as you guys know, the wait time for everything is kind of crazy right now. So I think I'm just gonna do an updated living room video as we get pieces in and as we get things together. So if you guys watched my Don't Buy a Sofa Until You Watch This video, that video was actually very personal, and I was actually looking for a sectional when I was doing that video, but I thought it would be fun and super informative to show you guys the process of me trying to find a sofa, things I was looking for, and help you guys get ideas and what you guys should be looking forward to when you're investing in something as huge as a sofa, because that is a huge investment no matter how big or small your budget is. So we did end up going with the Harmony sectional from West Elm, and you guys, I am just so happy with it. I went with the Harmony sofa because it was the one sectional that kind of went with our lifestyle. I love how it looks very relaxed, and it kind of has that cloud-like look, but very structured as well and modern. And it was very comfortable. So I'm gonna show you guys what the sofa looks like. I'll let you guys know if I recommend West Elm, if I recommend the couch. I'll let you guys know all the good, the bad, the ugly. And yeah, let's get started. Experience with West Elm has been nothing but positive, you guys. I definitely recommend West Elm. The sales rep was super helpful. I'll put her name over here if you guys are interested in the sofa or anything West Elm has to offer and you're in the Southern California area. So she's the one that showed me the different fabrics. She showed me what it really means to be a performance fabric. FYI, if you do decide to go with a sofa from West Elm or anyone else, make sure if you are unhappy or you change your mind, you're able to cancel your order. With this sofa that I have, it is a custom order, and before you check out, it lets you know, like, if you change your mind, you want to cancel your order, you are not able to do so. So you better make sure that you are 100% happy with your decision before checking out. I went with the performance washed canvas, and I have all the swatches. If you guys are looking for anything, a chair, a bar stool, any piece of furniture that allows you to order swatches, order those swatches. Spill stuff on them, test them out, look at them in different kind of lighting, and just to make sure that you guys are truly happy with what you're picking. So I ordered my sectional at the end of March. I think it was March 29th, and I wasn't supposed to get it until July 22nd through August 5th. That was the time frame of me receiving the sofa, and I got an email almost 2 months earlier to pick a day for delivery, which was amazing. You guys, that has not been my experience. Things that I've been ordering that has a wait time, usually it's a longer wait than what they say. I picked a time frame for them to deliver the couch. They sent me an email the day before letting me know a very specific time frame, and they came on time. The delivery guys were amazing. I asked if they were okay with being on camera, of course. Totally fine with that. They came in and they just did an amazing job. Something to note, I don't know if it was from the delivery guys or if it happened in the warehouse, but there was a couple of dirty marks on the sofa. So the delivery guy did take pictures. He sent them to his boss. So once the delivery guys left, he had called me letting me know that they cannot send anyone out to clean the couch. And if I wasn't happy, then he can pick it back up. I don't know what happens after that, but I just told him, no, it's okay. I'm sure I can get the stains out. West Elm then calls me, letting me know that they can't send anyone out and that the only thing they can do is give me a certain percentage of what the couch cost and reimburse me and give it to me in the form of a gift card. And I said, sure, why not? As soon as I got off the phone with them, I'm like, I have Folex, I got a performance fabric. Let's just see if I can get the stains out. And you guys, they came out like nothing. Now, if you're interested in getting an all white sofa, just know that if you have kids or if you have pets, I hope you're thinking about getting a performance fabric. West Elm, the performance fabric option was only additional $300, which was not the case with some of the other companies that I looked at. But although it is a performance fabric, it is a very high maintenance sofa. So you do have to, just check for stains. And if you see anything, just grab some Folex. All right, welcome to our living room. Here's what the sectional looks like in our space. And we couldn't be happier, you guys. We absolutely love it. So yes, the space is very plain right now. We wanted to wait until we picked out a sectional and got it in the space before we invested in any more pieces. As you guys can see, our living room space isn't huge, so we want to go with a light colored sectional to keep the space open, bright, and airy. This sectional also sits a little lower than our other sectional. So that's another tip. If you have a smaller space, lower profile furniture also makes your space look and feel a lot bigger. We want to go with a larger size sectional because it just fits our lifestyle. We love piling up and having Friday night movie nights and just enjoying a little family time together. Now, if you guys are thinking about getting a light colored sofa and you have children or pets, I do really recommend you guys invest in a performance fabric and keep that Folex on hand. All of the cushions that you guys see right now, you can unzip them and wash them. They come off very easily, or you can also hire someone to come out to shampoo your sofa as needed. The only other thing we have in the space right now is this side table. I've had this thing for years, and for now it's going to stay, but I'm thinking about going with something a little bit smaller. Right now I just have my Tom Ford book on the table, which it's facing the wrong way, but we'll just ignore that. And then I have my footed concrete bowl, which I made. I have a video on that and I'll link that down below. We do plan on adding a rug, and we also ordered our coffee table. It should be here, fingers crossed, you guys, sometime early July. We're also thinking about adding a built-in fireplace. I think something like that would be a game changer in the space and add so much character and warmth. We're also going to add sheer curtains. I think that would make the space look so much more cozier, more homey. I actually have them, I just need to put them up. And depending on how much space I have, I want to add some artwork over here, maybe a floor lamp, a pedestal with a vase, something going on in this corner for sure. I also want to add a sofa table just so that the sofa is not sitting up against the wall, and then it gives me opportunities to add more decor pieces and just make our space look a little bit more homey and give it some more character. The sectional comes with all the pillows that you guys see, and I love the way it looks. I think it's a vibe and a look all on its own, but I think I'm going to play around with it and add different pillows and add a little contrast to it. I did buy some pillows a little while ago, so I'll show you guys what those look like in a second. Okay, I apologize right now for the echo. I really need to invest in a mic. But if you guys remember one of my shop with me's, I went to the West Elm outlet and I picked up some lumbar pillows, and they've been pretty much sitting in my laundry room in this bag ever since. Bought the actual inserts from the West Elm website, and then I bought these from the West Elm outlet, and let me see how much they were. If you have a West Elm outlet or any outlet, please check those stores first. You can save a lot of money. They were $30, and then I believe they were an additional 60% off of that. So I just really love this. I think that it's something different, and it's gonna make a really big impact and just add a little fun, a little spice, a little something to the space. Yeah, I think that would look good. And yeah, little tip, buy your pillow inserts and then buy pillow covers that you can take off and wash. A lot of them at HomeGoods you can actually take off as well, so that you can switch out your pillows. You can wash your pillow covers as needed. So let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna actually leave those on. I like the idea of having that, kind of protects the armrest and gives it a little character, but I think I'm gonna have to get a larger size pillow, and then I can probably just add that to it. Or you can totally do that. I feel like it looks better already. But yeah, I think a square one like this in the corner, maybe something like that. Yeah, that actually looks pretty darn good. All right, I think that's everything. If you guys have any questions, if I missed something, please let me know down below. I will get back to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Bye.